So this unit talks about using layers, and it's a 3-lesson unit, and so you start off with using the layers lesson. And what it does is it shows you within the course, it'll show you exactly how to bring up the layers area and how you can add another layer, and you can add material on there to make things a little bit easier to use. So what it does is it shows you the different steps. So as you click on it, this is the layer image that will come up, and here we identify the different elements that are part of it, and here I show you how I use this as the template for me to make the bird's head. And I didn't use it, I actually drew it myself, but for you this may be something that you actually copy, and then I'll show you a method of a little sort of cheat system using this that will allow you to use this head as a template for yours. And so the nice thing about it is that you can actually draw the head by zooming in and using the different tools, and then copying over top of, not over top, but on a different layer, the actual picture of the hummingbird's head. And in this way you'll make sure that your head is very good, which is the focal point of your drawing, and then the other things can be done very quickly. So it just shows you step by step. Once you get the head drawn on there, what's the next step? And so what I've clicked on here is it's taking me to the next lesson, and it's talking about once you have the hummingbird and you've drawn out the hummingbird, which was the lesson before, then you can actually use it in order to create a bigger image with a flower attached to it. So you can see here as it loads up that this was a drawing of a hummingbird that I did in different colors, and then obviously spent a little bit more time on it, and then here's a bird that was added in the same colors. So I talked about how you can put the two of them together and then start to build. Here's 3 different examples of layers. So I used exactly the same bird in all 3 of them, but each time drew a different flower on a different layer, and then you could decide which one you like the best. And then it talks about the color matching tool, which I won't click on because this video will get too long, but it'll show you how to actually capture the color in the bird so that you're using the same colors in your flowers in order to make it match a little bit better.